It's not an all or nothing situation because Instagram doesn't want you to abandon the platform straight away. Instagram gives you the choice of either permanently deleting or temporarily deactivating your account. Here are the key contrasts. 1. Deleting your Instagram account is permanent and you will not be able to recover it. While you can reinstate your account at any point while it is deactivated by just logging in. 2. All of your images, followers, likes, and comments are permanently deleted when you delete your Instagram account. But if you choose to deactivate, your images, followers, comments, and likes will be saved. 3. If you delete your Instagram account, you risk losing your username if someone else claims it, but if you deactivate, you can hide your account forever without losing your login. So it is up to you to know what you want and make the right choice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and turn on your notification button so you do not miss our latest videos.